Hey honey bunny, it is your girl XO Rocky. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing the Cantu Leave-In Cream. I'm using the Cantu Shea Butter for Natural Hair Leave-In Conditioning Cream, and this product has no sulfate, no silicone, paraben, or mineral oil. It's supposed to help repair hair breakage, leave hair soft and manageable. When used daily, it helps promote stronger, healthier hair. The directions state to apply a generous amount of product to the ends of damp hair and work towards root. I'm not going to use a generous amount this year. I'm trying to not overdo it with the amount of product I put on my hair. And then it says comb through for even distribution. For styling tip, it says follow with Cantu Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream for a frizz-free definition. I like to do a peer review and not use any other product. That way I can give you a really detailed and informed decision when I tell you my thoughts on the product. So I'm not going to use any other products besides this. But if you are interested in the Cantu Curl Activating Cream, I do have a whole review on that product specifically. I am just going to apply about a dime-sized amount. I'm really trying to not overdo it with my products this year. I'm thoroughly detangling my hair, and I mean thoroughly. I have fine strands, but I have high density, so I have a lot of strands per square inch. So if my hair isn't detangled, my styles come out so freaking frizzy. I'm going to go through my hair a few times with my brush. If you're not part of the bunny family, I make videos about natural hair, healthy skin, and just overall health and wellness. So if any of those topics interest you, tap that subscribe button, show it some love, and join the bunny family. I'd be so happy to have you. I'm working in about 16 sections, so I will have about 16 braids. I am going to sit under my hooded dryer for about an hour, and then I'm going to sleep with this in and pray to God that my hair dries within 24 hours. Okay, so my hair did dry in 24 hours. There is one braid, just one random braid that is still damp. Why? I don't know. But overall, my hair is dry. So we're just gonna unravel. My hair feels so moisturized. It's so soft. This does say it leaves your hair soft and manageable. I highly agree with that. I'm just gonna finish unraveling my hair and I'll come back to you with my final thoughts. I did not separate. I don't know if I'm going to separate. One random braid was still damp, so I might just let my hair stay like this for a day and then tomorrow go in and separate. But I really like this clump look. This is a product review, so let's talk about this product. So I have the Cantu Leave-In Conditioning Cream. I really like this stuff. It's super thick. I used it sparingly because I'm trying to not overdo it with my products. It really coated my hair without me having to use too much. I didn't feel like my hair was thirsty. I didn't feel like I needed to apply globs of the product, and I was able to detangle with it in. My hair feels moisturized, it's shiny, it's soft, it is manageable. Everything that it stated that it will do, it has done. This product does not have a lot of hold. I will say that, you know, some creams will also have hold. This product does not, and it also does not claim that it will. I don't fault products for not doing things they don't say they will do. It tells you to layer this leave-in with the curl activating creams. So if you have super frizzy hair like me, I would recommend also using a cream a lotion or something that has some type of hold. You can also use a gel, which I'm thinking I might do review on the Cantu gel, and I might use this leave-in underneath it. So if you're interested in seeing that, give this video a thumbs up, because I really like this leave-in as a leave-in, but I want something that's gonna give me a little more hold. That way I know my style will last like a full week. This will last me if I don't separate it, if I just leave it clumped. This could last me a full week. I might go in and separate tomorrow, and if that's the case, it's not gonna last me a full week. I can tell you that. In terms of the smell, it smells like a standard Cantu product. It has that coconut scent. I personally love coconut scented products. I don't mind that. In terms of the texture, it's really creamy and smooth. It's not heavy, it's not light, it's right in the middle. So when you apply it to your hair, you do feel like it's coating your hair, you feel like it's absorbing into your hair, and you get that full coverage. You do not get hold with this product. Feel free to layer it. And then in terms of what this product does give you, it gives you shine, it gives you manageability, and it gives you softness, which it does claim that it will do, and it does follow through with that. I used it on its own, and my hair is so beautiful. It's so soft, and I am really happy with it. Cantu met all the requirements for my hair diet, plus it's super affordable. I love the deep conditioner. Like all this time, why haven't I used it? Girl, couldn't tell you, but I use it now. I've been using it for the past month, and I love it. If you haven't seen my review on that, make sure you check it out. I use the curl activating cream. I really enjoyed that. And then now I've used this leave-in cream. I'm really enjoying this. I have no complaints about Cantu. I am happy that they have a line that's geared towards paraben, sulfate, silicone free. I'm happy that they have a line that's geared towards natural hair, and I am just overall satisfied with these products and with the way my hair is turning out. If you have any questions, make sure you comment below. If you're enjoying this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If there's any products that you would like for me to try, please leave it in the comments below. They do have to meet my hair diet requirements. I'm not like crazy about the sulfates. Like if I'm gonna shampoo my hair and it has a sulfate in it, I'm not gonna completely discard sulfates. If I have product buildup, I know I need a sulfate-based shampoo to help me clarify it. So I can't really say sulfates, but they do have to be silicone and paraben free. Those are my only two like real unwavering requirements. They can't have silicones and they can't have parabens. I really want to get into these healthy products because my hair is responding. It is really responding once I cut out silicones. I hate to say it, but silicones do play a role in frizzy hair. And I am the proof because my hair has really been reacting so well now that I don't use silicones. So I hope you found this video helpful. I hope you learned something new. As always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to me because I'd love to have you. But until next time, see ya!